Dear Chartered Accountants of India, over the past few years, one question has been asked across almost every profession in the world. Can artificial intelligence replace my job? And perhaps the same question has crossed the minds of many chartered accountants as well. But the reality is this: being a chartered accountant in India is not simple. India operates within one of the most complex financial and regulatory environments in the world. From income tax to GST, from compliance frameworks to constantly evolving regulations, the profession requires deep technical knowledge and professional judgment. Artificial intelligence cannot replace that expertise, but it can become something incredibly valuable. The assistant that professionals have needed for a very long time. An assistant capable of helping analyze case laws, identifying potential accounting inconsistencies, and supporting the enormous amount of work that goes into every engagement. And that is exactly why we built something new. Introducing Audit Desk, the first AI assistant designed specifically for chartered accountants of India.